Hello everyone. Have you ever been into this vicious cycle of overthinking or negative thinking again and again? And you want to come out of it, but you don't know how to come out of it. Or different people, when you meet with them, they advise you, please don't overthink, and you also feel like that. But, and you try for that too, but you don't know how to do it. If this is the case, remember that you are not alone and this video is only for you. Hi, I am Dr. Shikha Goyal and I am a manifestation coach, energy healer, and medical acupuncturist. So, today, to clear out our brain from all the garbage, from all the weeds that are not serving us, we are going to learn a very powerful technique called burning bowl technique. To do this technique, you need few material, some sheets, empty sheets of paper, a pen, an empty bowl or any bowl which is kept at home to burn these papers, a lighter or a matchbox. We will start to write all the thoughts which are coming into our mind and which are troubling us a lot. We will keep on writing it without thinking at all about it. It can be any kind of negative thought, it can be anything. Whatever is coming into your mind, you just have to empty it. Don't reread this whatever you have written, and after finishing it, just tear these papers. Just tear these papers and say, I release whatever is not serving me. I release whatever is not serving me. I consciously and happily choose to release whatever is not serving me. And you can take a lighter or a matchbox and you can burn it and just say, I release this energy. I let go. I release, I let go, and happily choose to release and let go whatever is not serving me. There is a law of energy which says that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed into one form to another. So, what we have done, the energy was stuck into our mind and body in the form of thoughts and emotions which we were not able to release or we were not able to say to anyone. And when we wrote it down, we brought that energy out, and then when we tore it and burnt it, then through the energy of fire we converted it into the energy of ash or mother earth. Many of you will be thinking what to do with this ash. You can either flush it out or you can put it into mother earth or soil. Both ways are okay. I know that you like this video and you are going to create beautiful transformations into your life by implementing this knowledge. If you are ready to implement it, write in the comment box, I am ready to let go, and keep on sharing your success stories with me. For more videos like this and to connect with me, subscribe to my channel, Magical Manifestation. I really appreciate you for being here. Thank you and namaste.